How many kinds of entities are directly parameterized in C? A1, B2, C3, D4. The correct answer is 3. How many kinds of parameters are there in C? A1, B2, C3, D5. The correct answer is 3. Identify the correct statement about throw type. A function can throw any type of exceptions. B. A function can throw an exception of certain type only. C. A function can throw any type of exception. D. A function can catch all types of exceptions. The correct answer is a function can throw an exception of certain type only. What will happen when a program throws any other type of exception other than specified? A. Terminate. B. Arise an error. C. Run. D. Throw. The correct answer is arise an error.